Hi everyone, and welcome to Programming CMM. In this channel, I'll be sharing my knowledge and experience from over 14 years of working with coordinate measuring machines, specifically using Calypso and PC-DMIS software. Whether you're completely new to CMM programming or already have some experience, you'll find something useful here, from basic tutorials to more advanced techniques. I also plan to cover topics like GD&T, geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, and interpreting technical drawings, all based on real-world examples from the industry. I'm fluent in English and Polish, so let me know in the comments which language you prefer the tutorials in, or if you'd like a mix of both. This first video will give you a quick overview of Calypso, and maybe a bit of PC-DMIS, just to get things started. Right finger, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me grow and lets you stay updated with new content. And now a quick question for you. What kind of videos would you like to see here? Should I start from the basics? More advanced tips? Do you want project-based tutorials, measurement strategies, or maybe deep dives into GD&T? Let me know in the comments. Your feedback will shape the future of this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.